Welcome back to my channel. I am Rumela and today I'm going to take you guys through a day in my life. Now this day started on a very different note. I am all dressed up. As you guys can see, I am going for my morning walk. Since COVID has subsided a little bit and since we've been at home all day, me, Inaya, mom, we are all really annoyed, so we thought we'll just go for a morning walk. Before COVID we used to do this a lot and we really enjoyed our morning walks, but since COVID has hit we just stopped doing this. Sitting at home all day long feels really sad after a point, so me and mom, we thought we'll go for a walk. We'll take Inaya as well, and Aisha is also coming with us. So we're just going to go for our morning walk. And I just woke up, I did my skincare, I had my chai, that's all I had, and I'm just going to head out. Now this is not obviously what typically a day in my life looks like. Some days are really fun, like today is going to be, and I'm making it a little bit fun for the video honestly. And some days I just lay in bed and do nothing, and then there are days where I just work, I don't go out, I don't do anything, I just shoot, edit, upload and study and do all of my work. So today is kind of a fun day in my life, so I thought I'll just take you guys through. I'm in my balcony, so really sorry if it is kind of noisy because you know, it's just beside the road. But it's 8:30 right now and we are heading out. I don't know how long this will take. I also need to buy a plant for my room. I've been wanting to get one since such a long time, so I'm just going to go do some plant shopping as well. About breakfast, I don't know if I'll have it outside or I'll come home and have, because अभी तक तो कुछ सोचा नहीं है, but I don't know, let's see how the day unfolds. I'm so excited to take you guys along this as well, and yeah, let's go. So around 11 a.m. we got really hungry from walking so much, and the plant shopping wasn't done, so we didn't want to go back home without doing that. So I spotted this cafe, the Irani cafe, and it's been such a long time since I visited the cafe, probably like a year or two, and I really love the food that we get here. So I thought we'll just have a breakfast here, so we ordered for some cheese burji, bun maska and chai. So this is the second nursery that we went to. It's located in Kharadi. It's called the Blooming Center, and this is such a beautiful nursery. You get lots of plants here. There are also fruits and veggies ka plants, and then there are lots of indoor plants, and the prices are also really reasonable. And I got my plant also from this place. They also have a wide variety of pots, some ceramic pots, plastic pots, and all kinds of pots. They are very beautiful, and I got my vase also from this place, and I really love the collection. They are also very reasonably priced. Hi guys, so I am finally back home. Morning walk थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही लंबा हो गया. I went plant shopping, as I told you guys in the morning that I might look for some plants. So I did go plant shopping. I looked for I went to a few different places and finally got myself a plant, and I absolutely love it. I'll show you guys that in a bit. But I just came home, had a shower. It's almost 2:30 right now. I came around 1:30 and I'm sipping on this lychee lemonade. This is so good. I'll insert a clip of how I made it right here. So as you guys saw, it was so easy to make this, and it is so good. I absolutely love having this. all the flavors really blend in, the mint and the lemon and the lychee and everything. They complement each other really well. If you guys are looking for a very refreshing, a kind of a summer drink, then definitely try this out. Okay, so skincare is done. I'm just having my lemonade and I'm going to have my lunch in a bit. But before that, I want to show you guys the plant that I got. I am so happy with how the plant looks. I also got a pot with it, and I'm really happy because I wanted to get a plant for my room since such a long time. I like indoor plants mostly. I'm not a big fan of outdoor plants, so I just thought I'll get one and see if I could be a good plant mom. This is the first time I'm going to actually take care of a plant, so I am so excited. But the plant looks really nice. So Inaya's lunch is ready. She is just going to have the same thing as mine, some rice, some mutton and some banana. And I'm also going to sit beside her and have my lunch. So my lunch is also the same. It's some rice with some mutton curry, some fruits and also some achar. My lunch is done. Inaya has created a mess right here. I'm just going to clean all of this up, and I'll see you guys in a while. I also did not show you guys my plant because Inaya was crying and I had to feed her, and then I also had to give her lunch, so I did that. Now everything is over. Just going to put her to sleep and I'll show you guys my plant. Okay, so lunch is done. Inaya is napping in the other room with mom. Also, I'll show you guys the plant right now. But if you guys are wondering if that is how much Inaya eats, no, she does not. When we came back home, while I was having a shower, mom did give her dal chawal, so she did eat that. And I also did feed her, like breastfeed her, and then whenever I am eating, I make sure that she eats with me because I'm getting her into the habit of eating by herself. I really want her to start eating by herself and start feeling the food, the texture of food and everything. So I not with every meal, but I make sure whenever I can, she eats at the table with us, like when we are eating together as a family, so that she also learns how to eat by herself. So she did have a lunch, and this is like a second lunch where she tries to eat by herself. She creates a big mess. में से आधा तो she it's always on the floor or on the table. Honestly सिर्फ 20 to 30% वो खाती है, बाकी तो इधर उधर रहता है, but at least she's trying and I'm happy about that. Okay, so that is done. I'm going to go do some work, but before that I want to show you guys my plant. So this is the plant that I got. It looks absolutely gorgeous. इसका एक पत्ता टूट गया while getting this upstairs, but ठीक है, I'll take care of it somehow. This is called the Diefenbachia or Diefenbachia. I don't know how it's rightly pronounced, but it looks so good. And this is an indoor plant, and I really wanted to start with indoor plants. So I got myself this. I'm also going to get a stand. I got this ceramic pot as well, and I'll get a stand, and ये थोड़ा सा ऊपर हो जाएगा and it will be visible in my videos as well. Okay, so it's 4 PM right now. This is the only time I get to myself. Inaya is sleeping, so I take this time to edit or study the course that I have joined. I've joined the Hustle Post Academy, for those of you guys who don't know, and this course is so good. If you guys are thinking of doing any kind of a business online business course, then definitely check the Hustle Post Academy. So I just complete a couple of modules from the course, or I edit my videos. If I have something to upload on that particular day, I edit my videos, or I would just jot down my ideas and just the video ideas and all of that. I would just jot down all of the ideas, and this is the time I actually take to work. I get around 3 hours, that is from 3 to 6. That's the time when Inaya wakes up. She usually wakes up around 5:30, and then she plays with mom and comes to me by 6. So I get these 3 hours to work by myself. So that is what that I typically do. This is the same every single day. I take this time out to really work, and today I did not plan my day or do anything. I did not write the gratitude journal, nothing, because I had to rush for the morning walk, and morning walk late ho gaya, so I could not do any of that. So I'm just going to do all of that. I'm just going to plan the rest of my day. I'm going to complete a couple of the courses, and since I don't have anything to edit today, I'll also jot down a few ideas, or some video ideas that I have in my mind, and yeah, that is what I'm going to do. Hi guys, checking in at 6 p.m. I did whatever the modules were in the course. I also jotted down some content ideas and all of that, and then I shot a couple of reels as well, because the sunlight directly hits my balcony during 5:36 p.m. तो तब मैंने reels बना लिए, as you guys saw already, and now I'm going to make some coffee. I would usually have chai, coffee, cold coffee, or hot chocolate, anything, but today I feel like having hot coffee. Let's go and make some hot coffee. Aisha also wanted to have hot coffee today. Mom usually does not drink chai, coffee. She has black tea. So I'm just going to make a coffee for me and Aisha. We are going to go on the terrace and enjoy the sunset and have our cup of coffee with some snacks. So let's go. Okay, so I quickly wanted to show you guys the coffee that I use. It is this one, the TGL Co instant coffee. It is artisanal filtered coffee. So it has the filter coffee ka flavor and not the regular Nescafe wala flavor. This is so good. The coffee is like very finely ground, and it tastes so much better than the Nescafe. checking in at 9 p.m. We are going to make some quick dinner. I'm feeling like having some sandwiches and a salad, and Aisha also wants to have sandwiches, so we are going to make salad and sandwich for dinner. Mom or Nani ne dinner kar liya already, so they are not going to join us. So we wanted to have something really junky. So Aisha suggested sandwiches और मेरे को थोड़ा healthy भी mix करना था उसमें, so I thought I'll make salad along with it. So that is pretty much it. Let's go make some dinner. I have my dinner with me. It is just some anda bhurji on a toast and a plate of salad, and Aisha is having sandwiches, as you guys saw. So I'm just going to do a quick taste test of the mango salad. This is not the first time I'm having this, but at least on camera it's the first time. So I just want to do a taste test. I really love this salad. You know, there's sweetness from the mangoes, there's spiciness from the chilies, and there's tanginess from the vinegar that I put, and also the tomatoes. This is a perfect balance wala salad, and a pinch of salt really balances all the flavors and really brings out all the flavors actually. So I really love having mango salad. Okay, so dinner is done. It's almost 11 right now, 11:30, and I was playing with Inaya for a little bit. I changed her and you know, did all of that, and now I'm just sitting down and I want to do my skincare. Since I went out in the daytime for a long time, you know, until afternoon, almost 1 baje tak, I wanted to, you know, do a skincare that would detan my skin, and for that I'm going to use a face mask today. It is the O3 Professional Detan face mask. This is something that I use whenever I feel like my skin, you know, has gotten a little tanned, and it works really well. So I'm just going to apply a face mask, do a small pamper session kind of a thing, and that is going to be a day in my life. So yeah. So the face mask is off and my skin does feel really nice and bright. I'm going to do my regular nighttime skincare, that is the alpha arbutin and the phytoceramide moisturizer by Earth Rhythm. This is not something I use every single day, but when my skin is feeling not that great, then I have my eye cream and the Laneige lip sleeping mask. The eye cream is from Dermaco. So this is my usual nighttime skincare routine. So I'm just going to do my nighttime skincare routine. Okay, so my nighttime skincare routine is done, and that is basically it for a day in my life. This is what a day in my life looks like when I'm not filming. Of course, I'm just going to scroll through my phone for a little bit and go to sleep. But when I'm filming, it's not the same. Of course, I film at night, so I sleep in the evening and all of that. Filming day in my life is quite different from a non-filming day. So that was basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, then don't forget to hit the like button down below and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys super soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye.